What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have a 2008 Nissan Altima and the check engine light is on, it's flashing, and the engine is shaking. Let's check it out. After pulling codes, we have code P0304, cylinder 4 misfire. Being that one ignition coil went out 2 months before, the customer has opted to go ahead and replace the other 3 remaining ignition coils, as they can go out in a domino effect, and will also replace the spark plugs in conjunction with this repair.